Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I have a new project to share with you. I have been trying to think of something different to do, something fun, and I was on Skype with Kim, and she said, why don't you take a look on Pinterest? And I did say, I really haven't found anything on Pinterest that, like looks new to me. And she said, well, you could always, look at something and then tweak it, to try to make it, in your own style. And she said, what about like a necklace like made out of lace? And I said, well, I've done that, a couple of times with appliques, a choker type of thing. But anyways, last night I was sitting there trying to, think, okay, what am I going to do? And I was watching some videos, catching up on videos, and there were a few video responses to June Angel Pugh's challenge of a snippet roll. And that's when I started thinking, well, what could I do new? Olivia Hernandez and I had done a snippet roll wall hanging challenge. And then, I don't know, the necklace popped into my head. So, the brain did start working, and I went into my drawer to look for some things. And the first thing I found was this tiny little spool. And that's tiny, right? And eventually, this is what came of it. It's a miniature snippet roll necklace. And I have to say, I had so much fun making this, but I probably won't do anything miniature again because my fingers just don't work. I really struggled to use such, little pieces, and the way I was putting it together, because it wasn't something, I didn't have anything to go by in order to, to make it easy. So I just had to kind of improvise. So this is the spool, you can see here. And I took a piece of muslin, and it was like I cut a piece, and then I, stripped it so that it was shabby and that it would fit the roll, and it just fit perfectly. And you really can't even see, you can see a few of the little frayed edges of the muslin right there. But other than that, you really can't see the muslin anymore. But it is, now you can't roll it up, obviously, but it is a true snippet roll. I added this tiny crocheted trim to the back, and I glued it onto the tiny spool, and then I just added, like, here's a rhinestone piece, my clay flowers. Here's a really tiny cameo someone sent me, and a tiny butterfly that somebody sent me. There's another, and my clay flowers. And I mean, you can't put much on it, but there was enough to make it look like a snippet roll. And then here's a couple of crocheted pieces. Here's a crocheted butterfly that was made for me, and I added a little oval pearl to it. Little crocheted flower from Vida. This is another little crochet piece. I added the this beige flower to go on top of it, and then I added one of my larger rhinestones. And then to back it up, it's just a doily, a small doily. And somebody obviously sent me that because I can't crochet doilies. And I just added this little piece. I don't know if I'm going to keep it on there, but I needed to hide where I attached it to the belt buckle. So, I mean, I think it looks okay, but I'm not sure. But anyways, this belt buckle is from Tim Holtz. I've had it for a long time. And I just thought that was perfect to, to hang it off of. And this chain I've had to, it might have even have come, now I can't remember, it's been so long, if the chain came with the belt buckle or not. But anyways, that's my miniature snippet roll necklace. So, as I said, it was really fun to do, but it was really challenging because of my fingers. They don't bend, and I really have a hard time with anything tiny. And oh, there's 2 little of those flat backs I did on the side just to cover the holes in the spool. So yeah, that's it. I mean, I think it's cute. I would wear it. But anyway, I would love to know what you think about this. And if anybody decides to try making one, I would love it if you'd let me know so I can see your video. Or if you don't do videos, if you want to send me a photo, I would love to see the different ones. I really would. I hope others try making it, because it really is fun. So, okay, that's it. That is my project share for today. I hope you like it. So I will be back with another project share, though, because I do have a couple of things that I have finished, and I will be, putting them on video. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I will be back again soon. Bye for now.